Introducing Outotec's wet electrostatic precipitator for tail-end gas cleaning, the EDITUBE. Superior removal efficiency and no routine maintenance are a standard in the EDITUBE. The EDITUBE unit is self-supported and the overall investment is therefore small, making it a pleasure to own and operate. The emission system is supported by dry insulators without any purge air requirements. The dual gas distribution ensures a perfect gas spread across the emission system. The emission system, with the rigid Outotec EDIROD nail design, ensures a high current density in a strong electric field. This is supported by dry insulators without any purge air requirements. Outotec process specialists design the units in an arrangement to suit any application. Now let's take a tour through the unit from the perspective of a particle to be removed. First, we travel through the dual gas distribution system and past the optional fogging system. Now we have the particles uniformly spread across the tube bundle inlet. In the tubes, they are charged and forced to migrate through the strong electric field towards the collecting area on the tube surface, where they are caught in the process liquid, preventing re-entrainment. This liquid collects and is removed whilst the gas goes through to the next stage of the process. Now let's hear from an existing customer using Outotec's EDITUBE technology.
My name is Øyvind Amundsen, working for Glencore Nikkelverk here in Norway. I'm in charge of the roaster and acid production and operate the wet ESPs. When we started to look in to replace our old lead-lined ESPs, there were a couple of suppliers evaluated, and Outotec had the design and the layout that suited well for our plant and our steel structure for the wet ESPs. We see now that we are able to let's say, get a much cleaner gas into our acid plant, and we see that we have achieved a better performance, especially on our bed number 1 and the catalyst there that now survives a longer period between each screenings. Yes, for sure. When we were able to get a cleaner gas, we were also able to remove some of the elements that earlier was not harmful, but was ending up in our sulfuric acid and was harder to sell. I think from the startup, our project team here at Nikkelverk had a very good cooperation with the project team established in Outotec, and both during the technical discussions and contract negotiations, we have had a very good cooperation. I think the way it has been handled here in Norway, we have a fairly good internal team that works very well then with the team put up by Outotec. So I think there is not very much I think we could improve. There has been very little, let's say, trouble with the two wet ESPs were put into operations. But when there are issues, we require and expect a quick answer and if necessary, access to qualified personnel. Yes, so far we have had a good response when there have been any issues.